Hello, seawolves. I'm Amelia,
And I'm Camilla.
and today we're going to talk about the history of K-pop.
The origin of K-pop can be traced back to April 11, 1992, where the group Seoul Ji and Boys group performed the song I Know on a South Korean broadcasting corporation.
They were new to South Korea. Nevertheless, in 1993, the group sold 2.13 million albums, and their popularity led to the birth of the K-pop industry.
Later on, entertainment companies started specializing in the formation and training of K-pop artists. Some popular companies are SM Entertainment, JYP Entertainment, YG Entertainment, and Hype Entertainment.
The second generation was when K-pop grew bigger with bands like Big Bang, Girls' Generation, Wonder Girls, and Shine. Along with this, K-pop became more popular with more streaming to other countries.
The third generation had the band BTS take the lead when they debuted and rapidly gained popularity after they released the hit song I Need You. They soon became one of the most popular and influential K-pop groups today.
Fourth generation was different. It brought a new sound to the K-pop industry. Some popular groups that brought new music to the industry are Stray Kids and Hyphen, aespa, and New Jeans.
The fifth generation had lots of vibrant styles and music like pop, hip-hop, R&B, and EDM. Baby Monster was the most popular group in the generation, although Boy Next Door, Rise, and LA are strong competitors.
K-pop clothing styles now are a mix of coquette and streetwear aesthetics. Before, more in the first generation, they would all be matching in bright colors and minimal accessories.
Third generation is said to have the most interesting fashion style. They collaborated with lots of different designers and were inspired with lots of different high-end cultures, creating a bold and glamorous fashion.
As of now, K-pop has seemed to acquire more popularity than regular pop because of its cultural impact and good production quality. There was even a time when K-pop groups were more popular than Taylor Swift.
Even from the beginning, K-pop had a different feel than pop bands and solo artists. They all spoke in different languages. They had choreographed dances to their songs and so many other things that just made it more interesting.
That's it for our report on the history of K-pop. Again, I'm Amelia.
And I'm Camilla.
Until next time.